Nadir On The Go is the name of a YouTube channel and a Facebook page. Nadir, a bright young Bangladeshi travel blogger and a filmmaker, owns the channel and the page. He recently won the Best Content Creator honor at the Blender's Choice, the Daily Star OTT and Digital Content Awards 2021 in Travel Blog category. This photographer and social media superstar got his start when he was still quite young. He has always been passionate about traveling. He's got a great way of describing places. He now enjoys his great popularity among his fan base because of this. Nadir has traveled to various places including Brazil, Turkey, Syria, Iceland, China, Bangkok, Los Angeles, Bali, Indonesia, Hawaii, and many others. He references many locations, varied experiences, and helpful recommendations on his social media pages. Across just 15 months, he has visited 7 sites in Europe. He writes breathtakingly gorgeous blog on Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar, and Dhaka. He only garnered 100 subscribers despite producing 25 vacation films over 2 years. But he did not give up or lose hope. He recently started Nadir On The Move Bengali YouTube channel in October 2020, where he uploads his writing in that language. For his attitude of non-compliance, he has reached out to individuals today. As a result, his YouTube career began in 2016 with a focus on travel, but as of 2021, he has started to receive widespread popularity. At present, Nadir's official Facebook account has 691k followers.